Our learning objective today is I can use the zones of regulation. Learning in PSHE. Before we start learning more about the zones of regulation today, we need to do a pre-assessment about bullying. Think carefully. We have worked on bullying a little before this lesson and you were introduced to some new vocabulary. Can you remember any of the terms? Pre-assessment. Now write down on paper or a book what you think or understand bullying to be. What is a bully? What do bullies do? Please take a photo and send it in to be marked. What do you know about the zones of regulation? See if you can write down some ideas and thoughts about the zones of regulation on your paper or discuss it with a partner. The zones of regulation. You've got the blue zone, where you can be sad, sick, tired, bored, moving slowly. The green zone, happy, calm, feeling okay, focused, ready to learn. Yellow zone, frustrated, worried, silly, wiggly, excited, loss of some control. And the red zone, mad, angry, terrified, yelling and hitting, elated, out of control. What are the zones of regulation? How might you feel in each of the coloured zones? Discuss it with someone or write down a few notes on your bit of paper. Task 1. Write down how you might feel in each zone. If you've forgotten, look at the slide before to remind yourself. Can you match each character to the different zones? Look at their body language to help you. The red zone, the blue zone, the green zone, and the yellow zone. Can you match it to the appropriate image? Check your answers. Did you get it right? So the blue zone is the blue person feeling sad, sick, tired, bored, or moving slowly. The green person is happy, calm, in the green zone. In the yellow zone, we have the purple character, which says we're frustrated, worried, silly, wiggly. And the red zone is where the character with its head is on fire, it's exploding. They're mad, they're angry, they're mean. Well done if you got them all right. If not, make the change and learn from it, because you're going to need this information in the next slides. Emotions during lockdown. The past month has been particularly challenging and everyone will have been experiencing many different emotions and feelings from all 4 zones of regulation. It is okay to feel any of the emotions in all 4 zones, yet it is important to know how to bring ourselves back to the green zone so that we feel calm and ready to learn. Or, even if it's not in the classroom, it's how we cope with problems at school, at home, in the community, in the street, in the back garden. We start to rehearse ways that we can calm ourselves down to the green zone. Task 2. Can you read the next 4 slides? Talk about if possible with someone near you in the house or around you, and write down or draw your answers. Can you think of a time recently when you have been in the blue zone? Why were you in the blue zone? How did you feel? What did you do or could you have done to bring yourself back to the green zone? Can you think of a time recently when you have been in the green zone? Why were you in the green zone? And how did you feel? What did you do or could have done to make sure you stayed in the green zone? Can you think of a time recently when you have been in the yellow zone? Why were you in the yellow zone? And how did you feel? What did you do or could you have done to get yourself back into the green zone? Can you think of a time recently when you have been in the red zone? Why were you in the red zone? How did you feel? What did you do or could have done to get yourself back into the green zone? Really important, these moments. How can you actually get back into the green zone? Now share your work with someone and take a photo of it and send it into school using Edmodo. Thank you.